So hey guys, how are you? I hope you guys are doing absolutely well. So a quick disclaimer that I am recording this video not for teaching, it's just for the self improvement. I just want to make my explanation skills better, so I am recording this video. So let's not waste any time. Let's get into the question. So today we have got LeetCode 2833. So here is the question. Just okay. So we are given a string moves of length n consisting only of characters L, R, and underscores. The string represents your movement on a number line starting from origin. So one information is there that whatever it is given, we have to start at the origin from the origin. Sorry. So in the ith move, we can choose one of the following directions. Move to left I. Okay, if moves I equals to L or moves is underscore, and in the same way we can move to right if it's moves I is R or underscore. So what we have to return? We have to return the minimum distance from the origin of the furthest point we can get after the n moves. So let's try run this problem and then we should figure out the intuition. So so here we have got. So the first test case is L underscore R, L underscore R, sorry, underscore R. So we have to move to the farthest point. So when one thing we know that it's a number line, and it's shit. So on a number line, if we move right, we will be incrementing the count, and if we move left, we will be decrementing the count, and we have to get the absolute value of the distance. So we can either change an underscore to L or an R. We have two choices, and we know that if the L number of L's will be more, then the distance will be negative, and the absolute we will take that absolute value. So so the intuition which comes into my mind is that whatever numbers are present, like whatever the count of L, like if the count of L is greater, then the distance will dominate towards the negative side. So for example, if see, I have got the four places and I have R, L, R, L, है ना? If the number of L and R's are equal, then the distance will be zero, because this will be plus one, this will be minus one, this will be plus one, and this will be minus one. So they will get nullified. And the observation is that if R, if the number of R's is greater than L, then the distance will be non-zero. So here we have got the distance 2. In the same way, if we have got the count of R to be count of L to be greater, then this would have been 2, right? So the intuition is that uh, we will replace the underscores with the character which occurs uh, which occurs mostly greater in the count. So we can just count, and we can just let's simulate this. So here for example, so L and R. So L and R are here, the count of L and count of R is same. So either we can So here it's L. We can change these underscores to L, 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 R. So it will be -1, -1, +1, -1, -1, -1, +1, right? So this minus plus will be cancelled. This will be cancelled. So we have got 1, 2, 3. Mod of -3, that is 3, right? In the test case, it's given 3. And we have another choice, like because the L and R, the count of L and R is same. So we can also change it to R. So here we have got mod of 3 equals to 3. So let's simulate. Okay, so let's get back to the coding part. So we have got int L is equal to 0, comma R is equal to 0. Now, so we can count for auto ampersand char ch moves. If ch equals to L, L plus plus, else if ch equals to R, R plus plus. So we have got this, and yes, there is one observation as well. Suppose the length is n. Wait, just a second. Suppose the length is n, and for example, take it length as 7, and the r is 2, and l is 3, right? So what we have got is, like, there will be 7 places, out of which 2 are occupied with R, 3 are occupied with L. So how many places are remaining? So it will be N minus L plus R, 7 minus 5. So 2. 2 places are remaining, है ना? We can either change them into L or R. And we have also got that we will be changing it to the character which has the most frequency. So we have got the frequency as 3. So we will change these 2 to L. And one thing we have also noticed that one L and one R, these will be nullified. So the formula becomes as uh, L minus R plus N minus L plus R. This is the formula. So L minus R modulus of, take this modulus because it may be negative as well. So yeah, modulus of, so L is 3. So 1 plus 7 minus 5. 1 plus 2. So the answer is 3. Let's check for this example as well. Here L is equal to 2, R is equal to 2, and N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? It's 7. So what we have got is L minus R modulus of L minus R plus N minus L plus R. So L minus R will be 0 minus 7 minus 4. 0 plus 3. So we have got this 3. So we have got the simple formula. So let's implement it. So what, let int n is equal to moves dot size. Okay. है So what we have to return absolute of L minus R plus N minus L plus R. I hope it's fine. Okay, so the test case is getting passed. Okay, so this was the pretty simple question, but it appeared in Amazon and Barclays. So this was the intuition, and here the simple time complexity analysis. Time complexity is order of n, and space complexity is constant, like order of 1. So this was the pretty forward question. So thank you all, and we will meet tomorrow with the new question. So take care. Bye bye.